morning everyone. It's a really good morning today. This is the view in the morning and we are in Pulau Padar. This is the place where if you hike to the top of the hill, I think it's over there, you get the most Instagrammable picture of the Komodo Islands. You can see so many boats have already docked here. We are quite late today, but it's okay. Hopefully we'll get there and we can still get a shot with just us at the top. That'll be an epic shot. The weather is good, so we're very excited. It's gonna be quite epic. Okay guys, it's now time to go. Yo. Kasih. Okay, start of the hike. Yeah, so guys, there's no villages in Pulau Padar. I asked the guide just now and he said that the waves here sometimes can reach up to 4 meters high. So it's impossible to access the island during the monsoon season. So that's why there's no villages around here. So we're gonna climb all the way up there. Whew. It's really steep and yeah, really steep. A good way to burn all your calories from yesterday's meals, because we ate a lot. Like I ate like 3 plates of rice per meal. And now it gets slightly slippery with all the loose rock and sand. A little bit more to go. And we've made it, the most Instagrammable spot in the world. Alright, let's check it out. There's a lot of people down there at the photo spot, so I'm trying to explore to see whether there's any spot without anybody in the picture. Hopefully we can find one. Wow, this is actually a good spot. Nobody here. And ta-da! That's Pulau Padar. Wow, check out the view guys. So amazing. So you may be wondering, why are there no trees on the hills? It's because the land here is pretty dry. It doesn't rain here as often, so yeah, the trees can't really grow that much, which is why it's still covered with grass. And during the summer seasons, I mean the non-monsoon seasons, because we only have monsoon and non-monsoon, it's completely brown. Yeah, but today is a good day. I think it's now time to fire up the drone. Di sana lebih bagus ya?
Kan ada pohon itu, ada bunga-bunga.
Ah, jadi masih bisa lihat dua pantai itu. Bisa ya?
Kelihatan semua.
Kelihatan semua. Wah. Okay, this guy is the funniest guy. He's from another boat. Halo, nama apa?
Wahyudin.
Wahyudin. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you. Saya Foogie.
Yeah.
He said there's a better spot over there for you to take a pretty picture. Okay, let's go. Oh, look what we found. Another cliff. Wow, look at this hidden gem of Padar.
Makanya bagus.
I think if we look hard enough, we might be able to find Luke Skywalker here, hiding in the trenches over there. Maybe in that cave. Bye, thank you. Don't forget me. Okay, time to go down. It's a bit harder than going up because it's slippery. Whoa, a lot of loose rocks, so just be careful over here. Whew.
There's too many people.
Oh, traffic jam guys. With the invention of things like Instagram, this place has gotten a lot more popular over the years. But thankfully, despite the amount of crowds over here, there's still some empty spots, especially if you climb a bit higher. So it's really worth the climb if you want to get a really empty photo, as in like nobody is in the photo except yourself. Live on a boat. Da 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 da. Hey, that's our boat. our ship, I mean. Boat, ship, boat. Okay, boat. Okay. Woo! Terima kasih. A well-deserved kelapa. Coconut, I mean. And this is Padar. Goodbye, Padar. See you again. You will be missed. Okay, and it's breakfast time. Fried rice, mee goreng, and eggs.
Egg goreng.
Egg goreng. Guys, we're moving a bit slower right now. It's because we're fighting against the current. The current flowing into Padar is really strong, so it's difficult for us to exit. So that's why it's moving slower than ever. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow. Oh, guys, check out that current. Oh man, it's so unique. It creates like a swirl, like a spiral. I don't know what that's called, but maybe you can let me know in the comments down below. So apparently sometimes the current is so strong that the boat will not move at all. It will just stay in place. Right now the current is really strong, so our boat is moving so slowly that we decided to stop in the pink beach over here. Either this one or that one. And yeah, supposedly the beach here is pretty pink enough. Probably even more pink than the actual pink beach. So we're gonna stop here and have a snorkel or two. Gosh guys, that ship there is stuck on the corals. Oh man, this is serious. Looks like they have to wait till the tide rises again.
A few moments later.
Right, so the boat managed to get themselves unstuck after they have a speedboat that keeps pushing them out of that corals. So yeah, thankfully. And now it's time to snorkel! We're going now! Oh, bye guys! That is Pink Beach, by the way. And it's quite pink, if you can see in the video, hopefully. Okay, we're here now. Wow, this is definitely Pink Beach.
Makasih Pak ya.
Makasih Pak. So guys, the reason why the beach is pink is because there are some broken corals. When it's mixed with the sand, it creates this kind of effect. The Pink Beach effect. Ta -ta -ta -ta. Okay, fins are ready. It's time to go snorkeling. Guys, we are going back right now. So sad to be leaving paradise. That is definitely paradise, guys. If they allow hotels to be built here, I think this entire place will be filled with hotels from left to right, like completely. Okay, anchors up. Guys, apparently there's a lot of mantas over there. So we're gonna get ready and gonna snorkel and hopefully find some manta rays. Okay, see you in a while. Wow, look at the manta ray over there. Oh my god! Okay, time to go! Oh guys, sorry about the really shaky footage here. We were too excited to see the manta ray and the current is just too strong. And we couldn't care less about what we were filming. But thankfully we managed to film the manta ray. And we were so excited that we couldn't really feel the small jellyfish bites around our body. One thing you need to know about manta ray is that they can grow really large. Some can grow up to 5 or 7 meters. And their tail is actually not poisonous, unlike stingray. So don't you worry about a thing. We got to see some manta rays! So happy! So right now we're gonna go to the sandbank. Oh, by the way, I think I'm gonna name today the day we saw manta ray. Manta ray day. Day of manta ray. Okay, whatever. Okay. That's where the sandbank is. Langsung duduk. Let's go! And we are here! So over here, you probably see a lot of Instagram shots of this place already. Like, people will stand in the middle there and then they will do a jump shot or something. We did a few of that, which I'm gonna play. But if you see, the reality is there's a lot of people here, guys. So, something for you to be aware about. Okay, now it's time to go back. You probably see some drone shots already, so yeah, it's time to head back. Oh, forgot to mention also that this sandbank is called Taka Makassar. Back on the boat.
Later.
Alright guys, final stop for the day. Looks like we'll be doing some trekking. Seriously, no idea what to expect. So, but let's get surprised. Bye bye.
Awas kepala ya.
Jangan lupa sama kami. Terima kasih mas.
Kan kalau ini
Karena didorong.
didorong.
So this place is called Gili Lawa, and it's a good place for you to catch the sunset. But there's actually two hikes here. One is the tougher hike, which is that one over there, and this one that we're doing is the chicken loop. Because we're quite tired, right?
Yeah. We're already chilling and then we need to do a hike again. It's like I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
For now.
Because we already taken our shower already, and then turns out there's another hike, and yeah, so probably the chicken loop is a better idea. And Iqmal decided to stay on board the boat waiting for us. Good Iqmal, good decision. Still can't get enough of the Komodo landscape. So otherworldly. Wow, not a single tree on top of those hills. Maybe one or two, but mostly grass. Beautiful. Guys, this view is just so surreal, guys. I couldn't believe my eyes when I first saw it on my camera screen. I just had to stop by and just take a lot of B-rolls, as much as I can. Wow, the colors is just too amazing. Hopefully I don't color correct this at all. So hopefully this should be in its true to color. So thankful that we actually made the climb, even though the climb is actually not too far at all. Just a short climb. Wow, definitely worth it. Unfortunately, we can't capture the sunset because there's a cloud hanging above it. It's alright, it's alright. We're not really that big of a sunset, sunrise kind of person, are we? We're not, right?
You are.
No, I'm not. Okay, anyway, it's alright. Goodbye, you've been good to us. We love Gili Lawa. Beautiful place. Ta-da!
The next day.
Wow guys, good morning. This is the third day and what a perfect sunrise. It's our last day here in the Komodo Islands and we feel really sad to go. It has been a great 3 days and 2 nights here. Beautiful place. A good sunrise to say goodbye to us. Really. Dolphins! Oh my god! Ah! Amalia, dolphins! Ah! We got to see some dolphins! What a great ending to the trip! Okay, last stop is at Kanawa. Yep, Kanawa is that island over there. We are way past the marine park of Komodo already, and because of that you will start to see some resorts popping out, especially in Kanawa. In Komodo itself you will not see any resorts at all. As part of the law under marine park, you cannot build a resort in Komodo Island. Welcome to Kanawa. So this is Kanawa Island. There's a resort behind me where it's about 750,000 per night and it only has a fan. It doesn't even have AC. But the sad thing is, it's left unmaintained for quite a number of years already. So it looks neglected. Look at that. Yeah, but otherwise the view is pretty good. Quite surprising. So overall for us, the best Instagram spot is Pulau Padar, definitely. And then the best beach is the pink beach.
Not the real pink beach.
Not the real pink beach, the one that we stopped in.
They call it long
The long beach, yeah?
Long beach.
Long beach. Yeah, the long beach is really, really good. I think it's like heaven on earth. One of the best beaches we've ever been to. The sand is just perfect. And the corals, beautiful. Guys, seriously, so beautiful. And then, best place to see Komodo dragons is definitely Rinca. Yeah, the Komodos there are so beautiful, so big. I love the Komodo. I personally think they're quite cute. Best place to see manta ray? Of course, Manta Point. Our friend from yesterday is having his usual dip. He's like an Energizer bunny. I think with his energy, he can really swim all the way back to Labuan Bajo.
So there's a lot of fish here and you can feed them with bread and they will come like swarming around you. Okay, let's see if that happens for me right now.
Jangan lupa sama kami. Hey guys, so we're back on the boat. The island itself is not that spectacular, but the snorkeling is like you can see all the fishes, the small fishes, especially if you hold bread in your hand, they'll just crowd around you. It's really beautiful. So I think that's the only thing that we're gonna do today, and we're gonna head back right now to Labuan Bajo and hopefully catch our flight back to Bali and then from Bali onwards to KL. So yeah. Terima kasih. Thank you. Okay. Ya. Yeah. Dadah. Jangan lupa sama kami. Bye bye. Jangan lupa sama saya.
Jumpa lagi.
Jumpa lagi ya. Bye. Alright guys, we're back in the airport and yeah, I guess this is it. This is the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and check out the rest of the Flores series. And yeah, don't forget me.